Hi, I'm Tristan.
And I'm Ryan.
And we're from 1300 Web Pro. Ryan, what do you know about version control?
Version control is a form of technology used to keep track of the many different versions of like files and data and other things that you may want to not lose sight of where they were in the past.
Okay, Ryan, so what might a company use a version control system for?
Well, they might want to use it if, for example, if they're working on a document, they make a mistake in that document, they need a way to revert that mistake. Secondly, they might want to keep track of the history of their files. And third, if they're collaborating on a file, they want to all be able to work on that file at once and sort of keep track of all the individual changes made.
Yeah, so version control is very important from a auditing perspective. It means you can go back and see who made that edit, who broke the code, and basically lets you keep track of the state of the file and make sure that you can actually go back to any point in time to see how the file has evolved. So how does 1300 Web Pro use version control?
Well, 1300 Web Pro has a lot of uses for version control. For the most part, what we work with is in-depth version control systems designed for programmers, where we're putting all of our source code and our programs that we work on into version control. That allows us to all work on it at the same time, keep track of it. If we make a mistake, it's okay. We can revert back to when it was last working.
Okay, so what might a small business use version control for?
Well, a small business would want to use version control to keep track of any document that they find important to them. This includes spreadsheets, policy manuals, employee contracts, invoices, and many other different types of documents. And chances are is that if you're a small business, you're probably already using something. As far as files are concerned, you've got most of the main cloud storage solutions have it, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive. Also, as far as documents are concerned, the major cloud document providers have it, such as Google Drive and Office 365.
And it's probably also important to note that version control can be a part of your backup strategy. I mean, being able to restore from backups is a big point, and version control is all about doing that. So hopefully that gives you a brief introduction into why you should be using version control and why you probably already are. So if you need more information about a specialist solution for your business, please let us know at 1300 Web Pro and we will be happy to assist.